we're here with Lisa and we're going to do the Perfect Derma Peel. We did a microdermabrasion. I always do a microdermabrasion first to open the skin up and to clean it. And then we cleaned it again with alcohol and acetone. And now we're ready. She's all prepped and she's all ready to get her Perfect Derma Peel. And she's going to peel for about, I'd say 3-4 days. It's Thursday. She'll start to peel on Saturday, on day 3. Are you ready, Lisa?
I'm ready.
But the benefits of this are phenomenal. It's going to help with more even skin tone. It's going to make her skin tighter. It's going to slough off the dead skin to reveal that beautiful dermis underneath. And she's going to glow. And she's all ready to do that in the spring, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So we're starting out with our Perfect Derma Peel. Okay, and we're going to pour that in our little cup. And you can peel your back, your chest, your arms. You can peel pretty much anything. Okay, so now we're starting with the peel. I squeeze off the excess. And then we're going to avoid her eyebrows because she has permanent brows on. And if you put the peel on the permanent brows, it will lighten the brows because it's going to exfoliate your skin. So we're very careful on not to get the brows involved. And we're going to do the waffle style. We're going to go horizontally with the peel, and then we're going to go vertically, just so we know to engage all of the skin. And don't forget around the mouth area and the nose. We're going to do that on this side with the neck. And don't forget to get back here. This helps to pull the neck up. Peel, so we're going to turn a little bit so you guys can see the other side. Don't forget to squeeze your cotton gauze because you don't want it to run at all. So we're going to go vertically. Don't forget the nose. Then we're going to go horizontally. And you want to get close to the eye area, but not real close because you don't want it to burn the eyes. And then don't forget about the neck, and you want to get way in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm hoping you can. And this peel is good for all skin tones. This is great for acne. This is great for I can't say rosacea, but it's good for brown spots. It's good for evening the skin tone. And I'm also going to do one on myself in a few days. I'm just letting my skin recuperate from the IPL and the microneedling. But see how she's frosting? That's a great sign. She will get a great peel going on. So I just let that dry in between. So we're going to start again. We're going to do our second layer. How do you feel, Lisa?
Good. It doesn't, it's just a little bit of a sting initially, but the second layer I hardly feel a sting at all.
We're going to do cross hatching, which is the basket. The horizontally and the vertical. And we're going to do the neck. Don't forget the neck. And in the back here. Okay, we're going to let that dry in between. She's frosting, which is awesome. I hope you guys can see that. Frosting is really good. She is going to peel like a snake, and that's what you want.
Frosting like a cake.
And then we'll do the third layer. I always layer until there's no more liquid in the cup, so you can get the most benefits. And the funny thing is, people have been peeling like crazy. We've been doing virtual peels. People who have not come into the office because we are on quarantine. But Lisa has been quarantined with me, so this is great. But I am not open for practice. But people have been purchasing the kits. We've been shipping them out, and we've been doing virtual peels, which is awesome. I mean, I would not have ever thought of doing virtual peels because I like to have full control. But hey, this is great when you can't do it and people really want treatments. And you can ship this out and you can do virtual peels that I can walk them through this on my TV. Voila! And in 3 days, she will be peeling like a snake. I don't know if you guys, can you turn your head a little bit? Mm-hmm. There, see all the frosting, which means she's going to peel a lot. And that's the whole purpose. And then she's going to be leaving with a Perfect Peel kit. Okay, the Perfect Peel kit consists of two pledgets that she will use tomorrow morning and tomorrow night after she cleanses. And then when she starts to peel on day 3, she will use the Perfect Peel moisturizer. And that really is great to help with the peeling. And she'll peel for maybe 3-4 days, and then it's all done. And she will have baby smooth skin. And that's what we all want. See? It's a painless procedure, but it's so worthwhile. All right, my guys. Thank you. Be safe. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.